Morning, guys. March 19th, Saturday morning. I got a call from this guy. He says he's got an oil boiler that's spittering and sputtering. Sounds like it's starving for fuel. Got a couple of oil tanks with 2 filters. And he says, I haven't been there for years. I haven't been there for years. You know what that means? Oh, yeah, Molly. Yeah. One of them guys. I'll go out on Saturday rate. 160. Go on Saturday. Huh? Spank them hard? Oh yeah, I gotta make them at a Saturday rate, Miss Molly. Yeah, lack of maintenance. Lack of maintenance, lack of maintenance. Hasn't been cleaned in years. Oh, shit. We'll go over there and see what we got to change the filters, obviously. See if we get a good oil flow out of this beast. Nozzle. Clean the burner head and get it up and running. Hopefully it's not all full of soot. Fucking guys. People are clueless when it comes to $4.19 for a gallon of gas, regular gas. Yeehaw! We all want to go green energy. Flipping idiots. Seeing all these Telsa charging places being put up around my town here. I mean, they think everybody's gonna go out and buy these electric cars. How stupid is that? That's right up there. Telsa charging station for electric cars. I'm gonna have to ask this homeowner if he's gonna get one of them Telsa charging stations and put an electric boiler in his house so he can heat his house out. Yeah, probably laugh. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots if I can over here. Probably gonna be a helicopter type. 2 filters, nozzle, vacuum and combustion test. That was 6 years ago. Wow. Yeah. We got oil. Sorry, just filters are blocked. Wiesman. This is off on safety. Let's start with the filters. It's only 6 years. Holy shit. Only 6 years. I should have both off. I shall back feed. Don't look bad. Wow. Don't look bad. Don't look bad. This one don't have a spring on it though. See how there's no spring in the middle? Make sure that gets in the middle there. this one on. Do this one first. I'll do the other one. Surprise, didn't look bad. But like I said, you know, they've been here a long time. Now's the time to change them. There we go. Nice flow. Shut that off. Do the other side. Probably just needs a good filter. See what this one looks like. This one ain't bad either. Not crazy bad for 6 years. Not bad. Probably just the nozzle, you know. Alright, there it is, yep. It's lead. That's tight. Got both tanks on. Get to the burner part now. It's just a tight spot right here, can barely fitting in here. See what we got going on here for a nozzle. Looks pretty clean actually. Nothing crazy. Filters weren't bad considering, but either head the nozzle's going to be dirty. Yeah, that's probably what our problem is. Yeah, look at the nozzle. Yeah, look at the nozzle. See all the shit on the nozzle? All that muck. That's a problem. Been running clean though. Not bad. Might have to change the pump screen. $60. It's a 1 gallon 60 he's got in there. See how that's a little black? We'll have to check the flow. Let me check our oil flow coming out of the pump. See what we got there. It's off on safety, so I don't have to shut the burner off. The power. It's off on reset. Probably just a nozzle. Could be the transformer, could be anything. Let's see if it fires up. We'll see. Let's see what we got for an oil flow here. Let's see what we get from oil flow. I hit the reset mark. Just a nozzle, dirty. Getting a good flow, so our filters are still good. Kind of tight here, guys. It's a tight one. It's a real tight one. Alright, so the first time I was here, it was in 14, I put a new burner motor in there. And then 4 years later he called me back. I put 2 new filters, a nozzle, brush and vacuum combustion test. That was 6 years ago. And now I put a new filter. New filters that tank, new nozzle. And I had a good oil flow. Flipping beast, huh? Flipping beast. Big house.